What's up guys, Paul back with another video, and as promised, going to show you guys the IWB holster that I chose for my gun. So let's get right into it and I'll show you what I got here. Now when I decided to finally get this concealed carry permit and get myself a gun, I knew I was going to need an inside the waistband holster, which is what IWB stands for if you don't know. And it came down to two options. Read thousands and thousands of reviews on these things. I'm very meticulous when I pick out products. It came down to two different companies. One was Stealth Gear and the other one was AlienGear. Stealth Gear has very good looking stuff. Price was really high. Price was almost double, triple than what most of the holsters that I was looking at. Though the reviews were fantastic, I just couldn't justify spending that much money on this holster, especially because their warranty wasn't as good as AlienGear's was. I decided to go with AlienGear's holster. The ShapeShift comes with 4 different parts that you can mod your holster to whether you're carrying an OWB or an Apex. But I decided to just get the IWB holster. But AlienGear, if you want to send me the rest of it, I'll review it, no problem. This guy rounded in right around 60 bucks for me to get. Here's what your bag looks like. So let's just take a look what we have inside. So here's some spare parts, we'll get to that. Here is the actual holster. And here is, I don't know. Oh, this is for if you want to put it onto other modular sets, like fitting underneath a table or things like that. Anything else? Anything else in there? Yep. Support. Okay, let's start with this guy. You've just got some instructions in here. Got a sticker, looks like a sticker. Got a sticker. So here you go, this kind of tells you all about it. I shouldn't need this, I've watched enough videos. Here is the main show right here, the ironclad guarantee. This is the reason I decided to go with an AlienGear holster. Literally the #1 reason, aside from money, because it was cheaper than the Stealth Gear holster. They give you a 30-day test drive, so you can try it out for 30 days. If you don't like it, you can send it back. No questions asked, money back guarantee. They've also got a forever warranty right here. So if any part of your AlienGear holster ever breaks for any reason, we'll repair it or replace it for free. No questions asked. Very good warranty. Best I've seen out there on really any holster. Let's get to the main event. Here it is, the 4.0 AlienGear holster, IWB. It's part of the ShapeShift kit, like I said. The nice thing about this that they've improved on since the 3.0 is, well, there's several things. I'll begin with the cant and the ride height. So before, you had to take out screws and bolts in order to adjust your cant and your ride height. They've now taken it so that all you have to do is twist this upside down and it pops right out. As you can see on the back, this neoprene has no screws. Nothing is holding this on here. They said they spent thousands of hours, man hours, and a lot of time coming up with this design. But there's just a little latch right there. You can stick it in as low or as high as you'd like it, twist it back up, and it's ready to go. Another thing that they've done is they've really shrunk the size of this from the 3.0. The 3.0 would come about this far out, and so they've made this a lot shorter. They have a nice piece of steel in here. So the other thing is this connected on both sides. It's now only connected on one. So you can see it just bends all the way around, and that piece isn't attached to the other side. It's only attached right here. Let's see if I can do this after watching several videos. So there's just a little locking nut right there, so you take that off, and then this should slide off. There we go. So that little piece slides off, and you can just lift it off. See that? So if I had other pieces, same thing, you just stick it on maybe an Apex or an OWB, and same thing, you just slide this back on, and here's your unlocking nut. So they've got this bolted onto that metal. I'm assuming it's to the metal. You can also adjust it. If you can see here, there's 3 different holes, so you can kind of arrange that cant a little bit so you can have a different angle right there. Were we to slide that in there, you can just see the that trigger is always going to be covered, whether it's sitting flush against you or not. The whole gun isn't, but the trigger is. It feels good. You can reach up and grab stuff pretty quick. I haven't, you know, been out and had a full day with it or anything like that, obviously. Would like to go out and wear it around town, see what it's like to do some work in it, maybe some things around the house, go drive and see how it feels in a car. Let me know what you guys think about this product. Let me know if you have this product and there's anything I should know about it personally. Love to hear from you down in the comments. And please subscribe. Would love to make more videos like this. We'll see you guys next episode.